Hello world, this is Chris with Elevations, doing another unboxing today. As you can see here, this is the Renogy 1 Core. This is one of their newer products that allow a nice visual interface with their charging system. We'll be plugging this into a DC to DC charger that also has a solar panel input. So if you look at this here, you can see a lot of different information as well as the time. Then you have your voltage fully charged in. So what it does is approximate the rate of charging versus the battery itself, so it can give you an estimate of how long it's going to take to charge your battery up, remaining capacity on your battery, as well as your amp draw. If we look on the rear of this, you'll see what else we have here. So it basically indicates that all-in-one station, so it gives you a lot of information as far as your entire charging system, what you have going on with your solar panels, what you have going on with your batteries, what you have going on with this instance, since it is a DC to DC, so we have that alternator input as well. It totes the excellent design, which is interesting. Smart automation, easy installation. It is just a plug-in with an RJ45 port. System updates, RV leveling, so you can utilize this device to help you level as well. Remote monitoring, 24/7 monitoring. Pretty basic system as far as setting it up. You just plug it in and everything else should be pretty basic. You can see here as well as it does have a Wi-Fi capability, so I'm going to imagine, and again, this is one of the first times that we've gotten one of these in, you can actually Wi-Fi to this unit, and that'll help you remotely monitor your system. So let's go ahead and open this guy up and see what it looks like on the inside. You can see a couple different things here on your screen. It does indicate you can just grab the app for it from the Play Store, the App Store, or you can just scan this QR code directly on the box. And it doesn't look like it is a two-part box here, so we'll just open this up and let the bottom fall out. Here we go with the grand reveal. Dun dun dun! It's just another picture. So this is your quick start guide. The actual book for how to make everything work. I'm sure a lot of different language compatibility in there. Your extended warranty card, and then the actual unit itself. So if you look at my hand, this is about a 4-inch screen on this. It is a multicolored screen, and it is touchscreen as well. So that's great technology to have to help monitor your system. Then you have your multiple different inputs. So you can level this directly into your rig, and that's where that leveling comes in. Then you have that RJ45 type connection for the communication port. It does have Type C as well as this auxiliary port. So if you'd like to mount this directly to your wall, that's something you can do. You do have this mounting plate here that removes quite easily. Mount that plate directly in, affix it, twist, locks in. It's a very slick unit, and again, like I said, it is a newer unit that they have released. We received this in a bundle kit. Gives you a little bit of a cost savings to have this device. See what else is in the box here. I'm going to imagine we should have some mounting hardware. I would hope at least included. So that's likely what we have right here. Open this guy up. We have some cabling. So that's that auxiliary port cabling that you saw here on the rear. You have that input port. We have the power feeds for it. And then there is the hardware right there. So that auxiliary port should be able to provide all the power and everything that it needs. It would be really nice, honestly, if this was something that could be powered via an onboard battery. So here's your mounting hardware for your base plate. Yeah, that's one thing that I think was kind of dropped as far as the capability of this. If this had lithium on board and you could plug it in with Type C and it just Bluetooth back to the unit and you could take this anywhere with you, that would be certainly beneficial. So you could bring it to the back of your vehicle wherever your bed is, in your living room space, or as you're driving, you can keep an eye on your battery. That'd be something really nice to have. And as far as what's left in the box, nothing. That's everything to do with this unboxing. So again, this is the Renogy 1 Core. This is that all-in-one monitoring system for your charge station and your batteries. Looking forward to getting this installed here later on this afternoon and see what all this unit can do. Again, my name is Chris with Elevations. As always, I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching.